fat, so I was going to show you how I lather it up real quick. I keep mine in a Pyrex 1 cup storage bowl, glass container. Using a Semogue board brush 1305. I don't wring my board brush out like a badger. I just shake it out. And I count to about 30 in my head. Going opposite directions. I usually hold it sideways, hold it on the side. Now I get a lot of pre-lather from Mitchell's, and I usually don't even use that because it makes the lather too airy for me. A lot of my other soaps are the same way. Some soaps like MDC, a few others, I will use the pre-lather. Now if I was going to face lather, I'd do pretty much the same thing here. I had my bowl soaking just to keep it warm. I got a 1/4 of a teaspoon just to show you, some of the measurements I use. And, usually what I do is soak my brush in this Old Spice mug, so I just fill that up with water so I don't have to turn the water back on. Or you can just leave it running. As you can hear, I kind of pop the sides, and then when I go to the left, I barely press down. I don't press very hard. This is kind of my way of getting the air into the bristles. Put about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Usually takes me about, I'd say 3/4 to get it at the consistency that I like. Now you can put it all in there at once, but doesn't seem like it acts as good. Seems like it does better if you do it a little bit at a time. I only know if I put a whole 1/4 in there. It's about what I do though. Everybody says they have problems with Mitchell's, but the main thing is find out what you have to do to get to the lather with your water content. And it's very consistent for me. It usually whips up about like this every time, especially this board. If I change brushes, it does differently. You'll usually see me using this board brush. That's how I whip up Mitchell's Wolf at.